Campout 2020. Today, I'll be showing you a few ways to decorate your tent pennant. A pennant is a flag that you hang outside your tent so that everybody knows it's yours. It's where you can put all your best style, your family name, the year of the event, and even the awesome decal that came with your kit. I've included separate videos for each of the different techniques that I'm going to be showing you today. Let me show you some of the pennant ideas that I have to share. There are lots of different ways to show off your unique style. You could include your family name and the year of Campus Campout. You could include an initial and create some awesome blockout color lines. You could add fringe. You could put painted polka dots on. You could make your pennant hang vertically or horizontally, like I have here. Whatever you choose, make sure it's full of your family style so that everybody knows your tent is the coolest tent at Campus Campout.